Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. We are excited today because today we received this HJM TriHauler trike from HJM Bike. Big shout out to them and say thank you for choosing us and trusting us to promote and to review your product. Now HJM hasn't worked with many influencers in the past, so we feel very honored that they selected us for this task. Guys, this thing right here is fully assembled, ready to go. So according to the website and the information published there, all we have to do is unpackage this thing and we'll be able to take it out for its first ride. Let's get this done. Yeah, looking great. All right, that is a great looking packaging there. I mean, it is on this pallet, which helps keep it nice and secure. Don't see any damage right away, but let's get the rest of this packaging undone so we can get it going down the road. All right, guys, it only took about 3 or 4 minutes to get this thing unboxed and get most of all the packaging off. And they say no assembly required. However, check this out. You will need to install the handlebars because they go mounting right up here. So you will need a tool, which we'll probably find in our toolkit. Take out these 4 screws, mount the handlebars, put those 4 screws back in. We should be good to go. All right, right back here in the back, we have a basket within a basket. So that's our rear basket already attached. Looks like it's ready to go. Here's the front basket. We also have a nice little tool kit. You don't need many of these tools because we just proved that this thing is mostly assembled. We do have an owner's manual right here with some pretty basic information. And we have a mystery box right here, I'm guessing contains the charger. Let's take a quick look. Okay, you're also going to need to take off all these little warning tags, but before you do, make sure you read them so you understand the information it contains. All right, guys, your batteries are packaged separately, so you'll find those inside the box here, and they offer 2 versions. One version with a 20 amp hour battery or a dual battery option, which gives you 20 amp plus another 17.5 amp hour battery. The only thing left to do now is to get these batteries out and get them installed. All right, here is our main battery. This is the 20 amp hour. And it's going to be easy to install because all we have to do is slide it up underneath the underside of the down tube and slap it into place, and it's just that easy. Now, if you do have the 2 battery option, it does require just a little bit of installation for that extra accessory. To do that, we're going to have to mount the rail that holds that second battery right back here on the frame. And right back here, and that second battery slides underneath or between the frames right here. So just a little bit of installation. It's only going to take us about 5 minutes or so. But before we do all that, we're going to get this thing fired up and take it for a ride. All right, we've already got our seat adjusted. We got a thumb throttle right here. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, this is truly another trike we're going to have a lot of fun with, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and be looking for the full review. We're going to get familiar with this trike over the course of this next week or 2, and then we're going to be bringing you some additional videos, and then finally we're going to be bringing you a full review that talks about all the details, all the things we like, all the things we think could be improved upon. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. Give us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.